As the demand for compact tools, interactive pet gadgets, and presentation-friendly devices grows, laser pointers have become useful not just for professionals, but also for typists, gamers, and pet owners. Their small size, ease of use, and versatility make them essential for everything from entertaining pets to tactical or classroom use.
Product number 1. TB Teak Cat Toys for Indoor Cats. The TB Teak laser pointer is a fantastic all-in-one option designed especially for indoor cats who crave movement and stimulation. What sets this device apart is its multi-mode light output, offering not only laser beams but also LED flashlight functions, making it more versatile than single-mode laser pens. The red laser beam is bright, consistent, and safe for pets when used properly. Its compact size and sturdy aluminum shell offer durability even if the device gets knocked around by curious paws. This model features USB charging, eliminating the need for constant battery replacement, a major bonus for pet owners who use laser toys daily. The rechargeable battery holds power well and recharges quickly, allowing for long play sessions without interruption. Switching between modes is easy thanks to the smooth, well-designed click interface that responds quickly and reliably. One of the biggest advantages of the TB Teak laser toy is its ergonomic design. The pen-style shape fits comfortably in hand, making it easy to control quick movements that excite indoor cats. Many owners appreciate its ability to keep cats active, reduce boredom-related behaviors, and provide indoor exercise.
Product number 2. Green Laser Pointer High Power Pen. The Green Laser Pointer High Power Pen appeals to users who want maximum visibility and a more powerful beam compared to standard red lasers. Green lasers are known for their bright, sharp output, which remains visible over long distances and even in brighter environments, ideal for outdoor pointing, astronomy enthusiasts, presenters, and hobbyists. With a high-power beam, this pen can produce a crisp point that stands out significantly better than typical red laser pointers. Its slim, pen-style aluminum body is lightweight yet durable, offering a comfortable grip and premium feel. The on-off switch is typically responsive, with smooth click feedback, making the pen easy to operate with one hand. Most high-power green lasers require safety awareness, and this model is no exception. Users should avoid direct eye exposure and always store the device out of children's reach.
Product number 3. Cat Toys Laser Pointer for Indoor. The Cat Toys Laser Pointer for indoor use is a simple, affordable, and fun solution for keeping indoor cats active and mentally engaged. Unlike multi-purpose or tactical lasers, this model focuses entirely on entertainment. It produces a bright, safe red beam that cats love to chase, encouraging exercise and helping reduce anxiety or boredom in indoor pets. This laser pointer typically includes multiple projection patterns, such as stars, emojis, or shapes that move unpredictably, keeping your cat stimulated and preventing monotony. The switching mechanism is usually straightforward, with an easy press and hold button that makes quick direction changes simple. Pet owners often appreciate how lightweight and portable it is, allowing for fast play sessions anywhere around the home. Battery life is generally good for a device in this category, and some models are USB rechargeable, removing the hassle of hunting for small batteries. The housing is often made of metal or reinforced plastic, giving it decent resistance to drops or playful cat interference.
Product number 4. High-tech, high-power green laser pointer / tactical green laser pointer. The high-tech, high-power green laser pointer is built for users who want tactical-grade performance with excellent beam strength, durability, and range. This laser produces a high-intensity green beam, which is significantly more visible than red lasers and maintains clarity over long distances. Whether you're pointing stars in the night sky, marking distant objects outdoors, or needing a strong beam for tactical or professional use, this device delivers impressive power and reliability. The tactical braid exterior typically features a reinforced aluminum alloy body, making it durable enough for outdoor environments, rough handling, and long-term use. The textured grip improves handling, even in gloves. Many users appreciate the precision machining,
which gives the device a solid, dependable feel. Switch quality is another standout feature. The click mechanism is crisp, responsive, and designed for long-term durability. Some versions include focus adjustment, allowing users to widen or concentrate the beam for different applications. Battery life is robust for a laser of this intensity, provided high-quality rechargeable batteries are used.
Product number 5, laser pointer. This general-purpose laser pointer is an excellent budget-friendly option for presentations, classroom instruction, simple pointing tasks, and casual use. Its streamlined design, often in classic pen form, makes it easy to slip into a pocket, backpack, or laptop case. Most models use a red laser beam, which provides reliable visibility for indoor environments, such as offices, classrooms, and meeting rooms. The build is typically lightweight yet durable, featuring a metal or hardened plastic shell. The activation button is simple and responsive, with minimal pressure required. This makes the pointer ideal for long presentations where comfort and ease of use matter. Battery life is usually strong for red lasers, as they consume far less power than green ones, meaning fewer battery changes or longer use per session.